Okay, hey guys. Me and my brother are playing Murder Mystery 2, and you know, so basically, okay, so we were gonna play Murder Mystery. Okay, so we're about to start the game. This is my first video. If you didn't know, I love them too, but like, I don't play too often because I don't know. But right now we're about to start. I love the hotel. Okay, let's start. As you can see, I have a little lag here, but my brother has played M2 a lot. He told me that they chose me as a hero, like maybe the sheriff left after the game. So they chose me, before we started the game, and they chose me as the hero, and I was so confused. And literally, the girl that we just passed by was the murderer. But that's my brother. We were just here. We thought it was her because she kept following us, and we thought it was the blue thing, but no, it was not. And then my brother told me to show him my gun, so I showed him, and then he told me what it meant because I was so confused because I got innocent, but they gave me the gun, and this is the first time it ever happens. I thought it was like a bad lag or something, but I'm not sure. But for now, you could just watch the game. As you see right now, I was jumping because I thought it was the banana, but it was not. We were just here chilling until my brother told me that she had come up, so I will let you guys, just see for now. As you're about to see, she came up, and I kind of panicked because I was not waiting for that. But then I saw the time was about to end, so I decided to keep it going. And then first try, she was so close to killing me, but I ended up winning. So yeah. Right now I was just chilling, but like, I was just trying to wonder if you saw the monkey over there. Well, he is the murderer, he did kill us once or twice. Like, he almost killed us once or twice. Um, but at a point, he like killed my brother, and as you can see, this banana was trying to move me. Um, but I was there the whole time, not like right there, but I was up there the whole time because I prefer being in the third one. So yeah. As you're about to see, the monkey came up. I was like, oh my god, no, why is he up here? All of a sudden, little bro came towards over here. Uh, so he was just trying to get the coins for there, but I know he was a murderer. I was just trying to see him, and he got the knife out. So I think he jumped off because, like, I literally went because my brother had told me that the gun was right there. So I had gone, but it was kind of hard to go get the gun because I had to jump. And he saw that I got it. I was kind of panicking at this point because I literally have bad aim. And so I was just here battling, trying not to yell because it was like one or two, almost two or two. I was trying so hard. And I yelled at one point, but like it was actually so loud. At this point, he was charging towards me. So as you can see, he actually like he killed me towards the end coming right now. He killed me because I have really bad aim, and he decided to do this. He emoted on me, but like he didn't use like a emote, but we call it emote, and then everybody started saying fa. Y'all, and I was literally in my head. I was like, all of y'all died. I was the last one. Y'all did not even try. Like, I was the only one that even tried the whole thing. Like, two people said fa. Shut the hell up, bro. Like, you died in the first place. Like, know what you're talking about, little bro. So, at this point, I was just fed up. So, let's go. Someone with the fishes. As you can see, I got sheriff, but you gotta play it off until you see the actual murder. So, the murder was like they were about to come. So I'm gonna just let y'all see for a little bit while I just chill here. At this point, you could just two times speed up because it's gonna take a little bit more while. At this point, I noticed he was there. I don't think I killed him though, because he's small. It's kind of hard to go towards them. And as you can see, he literally killed me, and like, what's it called? He was still in the air. But I don't really say things in the chat because, like, I don't fight. I just go like, oh, I just start roasting them. But, you know, and then this isn't camping, but like, I say that he was kind of camping because he was hiding behind, but this is considered not camping, so let's say it's not. He was just waiting there for his next target, as you can see, and then he started doing emote on them, and then he went for a second time. So at this point, you could just speed this up. Now at this point, he noticed the little banana going around here. So because they got the gun, he was chasing them, trying to kill them, and he ended up killing them because they weren't fast enough. And at this point, I was just looking at the other people, and in the end, it was him and the other person. So you could just speed this up so that you don't have to watch all of this. Okay, now you can stop because he killed him, so he won this round. So yeah, we have to go to the next round now. Okay, so at this point, I was just responding 3 times and doing my stuff because I just do this sometimes. Because sometimes this gives you more of a chance to be a murderer sheriff, but this only happens sometimes. So yeah. And at this point, I got innocent once again, like always, but I got a 14% of being murdered. So yeah, let's trust. Okay, so I was just wandering around. I thought that little blue thing was the murderer, um, but no, he was not. And as you can see, that banana killed me. I knew that one of the bananas were suspicious. I thought it was the other banana, but it was not. And this person lucky pissed me off. Cause what's it called? The way he just walks is kind of slow. Like if we were to team up, I would be pissed. But he's slow, but like he does survive and stuff. So you could kind of speed this up, and you know. Towards this point, we finished the round. So yeah, and I saw both of the bananas got it. Both of the bananas got murdered and sheriff. I did not expect that, but it did happen. So right now I was waiting for the maps, and I was just waiting for, you know, for it to be time. So I kind of got bored, so I just started to respawn like 3-ish times, I think. Yeah, 3 times. And then at the end, I just walked over there and I stood where I was before, and then as you can see, I got murdered. That gives you more of a chance. So, as you can see, I was going towards my first target, but there was a bunch of people. I failed miserably, bro. I failed miserably. I think they were all teaming up because... No, actually, no. I don't think they were teaming up. But I saw all of them. I just saw everyone. As you can see, that girl is the sheriff. And at this point, just know I was teaming with my brother. My brother's right there. I was trying to go towards that girl, and I ended up killing this one. So then the girl saw me. I fell miserably. But she was at the wall. She almost killed me, but she didn't. So then I killed the banana, and then I went towards, but I was not expecting her to be there. And then I told my brother, he was kind of distracted. I told him to go get the gun. I was kind of camping for this, but I was trying to kill him first, but like I had to wait so I could get my brother to have it, because I didn't want somebody else. At this point, I almost killed my brother. But then I went upstairs to go kill the other one. He was literally just standing right there. So I just threw my knife at him. And then I went downstairs. I was missing one more person to kill. Two people. And I got them. And then it was just me and my brother. But I tried to look for more people because, no wait, they were like, it was this many people. Like, that was such a small amount of people. And then I was getting my coin sack filled, and then it got filled. But at this point, I knew there was nobody else. 'Cause, yeah. So you could just speed up at this point. At this point, me and my brother started to do a 1v1, but he won. I did not see him there, but he won. I mean, he plays Murder Mystery a lot, and I really do not care. But I was just kind of sad that I failed my mission of being a murderer. But yeah. And then I was just waiting for the maps to come, and I did my thing. But just speed up this part until I get my parts. And I got innocent like always. So I was kind of fed up with this, bro. And there was a duck, a black duck. Bro, he died every round. I'm pretty sure he joined so he could help one of his friends or something, because they just kept dying. I think it was a different account of somebody else's, but it was kind of pissing me off. And I think, like, my brother got his first target. So yeah, and then what's it called? I kind of went looking for people, trying to help out my brother, and I was just looking for people. because there wasn't that many people in the server though, but I was trying to look for more people. Okay, so I was just walking around trying to look for the other people. But I'm pretty sure people were like hiding. So at this point, I was just kind of thinking, should I let my brother kill me? So he could so I could help him. And as you saw a little back there, if you didn't go back, you can see the penguin died because I think they were trying to help somebody or somebody was trying to help themselves. But yeah. And I was trying to look for people, but then I didn't find anyone. But at this point I was just like, what if I just let my brother kill me so that he could see, so I mean so he could see where the other people are. So I just told him to kill me, and then I looked at the other person so that he could kill them, and he was really close to them. I think they saw, but my brother did win. So at this point, just go ahead. I know this is kind of getting boring, so let's put some music. Okay, so I just paused the music real quick, but I'm gonna let y'all hear it for a little while. Okay, so we kind of put some music so you could hear picking up my favorite. And the duck, I think they got murdered because they were wandering around, and I guess I was the first target. So at this point, I thought that I was his first target, and I knew it because he would normally not like play, but he did stay. So yeah, and my brother had got sheriff, and he was kind of stressing. But let's play the music so that you can hear it now. Thank you. Who is dumb? Okay, so I'm gonna leave the song on for you guys. But as you can see, I got my first target, and so I think I was just looking for people, but I think they might have been the sheriff. I was thinking that, but I wasn't sure until I saw their gun, and I threw a knife at them, and it was so close to hitting them, but it didn't hit them. As you can see, they dodged the next one. So yeah, you could just hear the music for now and see me playing. Okay, so I paused the music for a little. If you're this far into the video, which I'm pretty sure is impossible, thank you so much. I am actually so grateful. If like I cannot see my subscribers, like I don't know how, but if you subscribe to me, I will find out how to see my subscribers. I'll make sure to subscribe to them back. And thank you to all my supporters, even though I don't have any yet. But I edit this video, just cutting out smoothly some of the parts that aren't really there, aren't really supposed to be there. But yeah, and at this point I had gotten the gun and I was trying to kill him. But I have such a bad aim. But you know, I was just going chasing. He was chasing me around. He almost killed me. But at this point, I was just kind of sad. And you know, at this point, I did kill him. But yeah. Sorry, this video is kind of long, but thank you so much for watching. I know it's kind of annoying how I keep telling you to maybe speed up. I was going to turn this into a short, but I ended up like recording longer than a short, so you could just watch me play for a little. It is going to be like really quiet, but just watch. Okay, so apparently I just checked and this video is long. It is 37 minutes. I'm just telling you so that just in case, if you want, you could leave, but I really want you to stay. And if you saw, I got murder. Me and my brother were doing like a 1v1 and I killed him on my, like, I think it was the second try, and then I checked what time it was because I actually yelled. It was 2 a.m. almost 2 a.m. But thank you for watching. I love you guys so much.